Everything you thought about building muscle after 50 is wrong. You can eat all the protein, hit the gym, and take every supplement, but your muscles could still be wasting away. The secret nobody talks about: collagen. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 2 liquid collagen sources that rebuild your strength faster than anything else, and reveal the 3 common foods that might be secretly sabotaging your progress. Watch closely. This could change everything for your body and your independence. The shocking truth about muscle loss that no one is telling you. What if I told you that everything you've been taught about building and maintaining muscle, especially as you age, is fundamentally flawed? You can dedicate yourself to the gym 7 days a week and meticulously track every gram of protein. But if you're missing one crucial element, your efforts could be almost entirely in vain. Health experts constantly emphasize a high-protein diet and consistent exercise as the 1-2 punch against muscle loss. But that isn't the whole story. The real, unspoken hero in the fight for your strength and independence isn't just protein, it's collagen. But here's the critical piece of information that gets lost in the noise. Not all collagen is created equal. You might be reaching for popular collagen supplements, believing you're doing the right thing, only to find they do little to move the needle. This is because these processed powders often lack the naturally occurring gelatin that makes whole food sources so powerful. Many also turn to beef bone broth, a healthy food in its own right. But for seniors needing to combat age-related muscle decline or sarcopenia, it simply doesn't pack enough of a punch. To truly see a difference, you need at least 15 grams of collagen daily, and a single bowl of typical bone broth falls drastically short. This is why you absolutely cannot afford to miss what I'm about to share. In this video, I will reveal 2 incredible liquid collagen sources that contain up to 8 times more muscle-building power than standard bone broth. We'll start with the more accessible option and then unveil the absolute gold standard that most people have never even considered. Furthermore, I will expose the 3 common foods you must never combine with collagen if you are serious about reclaiming your strength after 60. These food combinations don't just stop your progress. They can create a toxic environment in your body that actively works against you. If you're ready to finally understand the missing link to preserving your muscle, subscribe right now and let's begin. Chapter 1: The Ocean's Secret to Rebuilding Muscle. Our first powerhouse source is a liquid gold I call the ocean's gift, fish skin broth. A single cup of this remarkable broth contains an impressive 12 to 15 grams of collagen, nearly double what you'd find in most conventional bone broths. The magic of this source lies in its composition. The marine collagen found in fish skin is absorbed by the body 1.5 times more efficiently than other types, making it an incredibly fast-acting and effective tool for seniors battling muscle loss. This isn't just about raw numbers. This collagen directly reinforces the very structure of your muscle fibers and fortifies the connective tissues that hold your muscles together, providing a strong and resilient framework. But the benefits don't stop there. Fish skin broth is naturally rich in omega-3 fatty acids and the essential mineral selenium. These potent nutrients are renowned for their ability to reduce inflammation throughout the body. For your muscles, this means a calmer internal environment, allowing them to recover more quickly from activity and grow stronger. The omega-3s also play a vital role in improving protein synthesis, which means your body becomes far more efficient at using the protein you consume from your meals. A recent study from Japan highlighted this profound effect. Researchers followed 120 seniors with sarcopenia for 6 months and found that those who drank fish skin broth daily gained an average of 3.2 pounds of muscle mass, a stark contrast to the mere 0.8 pound gain in the group that didn't. The results were so compelling that the scientists referred to it as a natural muscle preservation therapy. This modern discovery actually echoes ancient wisdom. For over 2,000 years, traditional Chinese medicine has used this exact broth to combat what they termed muscle withering disease, understanding intuitively that the ocean held the key to restoring strength to aging bodies. Chapter 2: The Ultimate Foundation for Strength and Mobility. While fish skin broth is a game changer, there is another source that works in perfect harmony with it to deliver unparalleled results. This brings us to the undisputed champion of collagen density, chicken feet broth. It may sound unconventional, but the science and historical precedent are undeniable. A single cup of chicken feet broth delivers a staggering 15 to 18 grams of collagen, which accounts for over 70% of its total protein content. This broth is particularly rich in type 1 and type 2 collagen, the specific types that are essential for rebuilding muscle fibers and strengthening the cartilage that cushions your joints. For any senior, this translates to a powerful dual benefit: stronger, more robust muscles and significantly less joint pain during exercise, creating a positive cycle of movement and growth. What is truly shocking is that chicken feet broth is a natural reservoir of glucosamine and chondroitin, the very same compounds found in expensive joint supplements that people spend a fortune on. These nutrients work to soothe muscle inflammation and dramatically shorten recovery time, allowing you to build muscle faster than you may have thought possible at your age. A groundbreaking study from South Korea provided hard evidence for this. After tracking 85 seniors for just 4 months, researchers found that those who consumed chicken feet broth 3 times a week increased their leg strength by an incredible 28% and reported a 45% reduction in muscle soreness. The study concluded that the unique collagen profile in chicken feet made it superior even to traditional protein supplements. For over 3,000 years, ancient healers have prescribed chicken feet soup for bone and muscle strength, knowing that the most potent building blocks were concentrated in this humble part of the chicken. When you combine fish skin broth with chicken feet broth, you create a complete amino acid profile that your muscles simply cannot get from any single source, allowing for both immediate repair and long-lasting structural support. Chapter 3: The 3 hidden saboteurs that are wrecking your progress. Now, it is absolutely crucial that you listen closely. You could be diligently drinking these collagen-rich broths every single day, but if you pair them with certain common foods, you could be neutralizing their benefits entirely, or worse, creating toxic compounds that actively damage your muscles and joints. Most people have no idea they are sabotaging their own efforts with these everyday staples. After reviewing countless nutritional studies and consulting with leading researchers in muscle preservation, I've identified the 3 most dangerous food combinations that you must avoid at all costs. 1. The innocent-looking grain white rice. One of the most common pairings for a savory broth or soup is white rice. However, this seemingly harmless grain is a secret killer of your muscle-building ambitions. White rice has a glycemic index of 73, which is higher than table sugar. When you consume it alongside your collagen-rich broth, it triggers a massive spike in your blood sugar. This surge directly interferes with your body's ability to absorb and utilize the precious collagen proteins for muscle repair. A 2019 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that diabetic seniors who ate high glycemic foods like white rice with their collagen meals showed 40% less muscle protein synthesis than those who avoided it. The reason is that elevated blood glucose literally blocks the pathways for amino acids to enter your muscle cells. But the danger goes deeper. When the high mineral content in these broths combines with the processed carbohydrates in white rice, it creates toxic compounds known as advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These compounds accumulate in your muscle tissue, causing widespread inflammation and accelerating muscle breakdown. You are, in effect, poisoning the very muscles you're desperately trying to build. 2. The deceptive relaxant, alcohol. Many seniors enjoy a glass of wine with dinner or a nightcap to unwind, believing it's a harmless ritual. But when you combine alcohol with your collagen broth, you unleash a perfect storm of muscle destruction. Even a moderate amount, such as a single glass of wine, has been shown to halt muscle protein synthesis by up to 37%. Alcohol disrupts your body's ability to process the amino acids from the collagen, effectively rendering your nutrient-rich soup into little more than useless liquid. The timing makes this habit even more destructive. Consuming alcohol near bedtime directly interferes with the natural muscle repair and growth processes that are meant to occur during deep sleep. What's truly dangerous is the chemical reaction that occurs internally. When alcohol meets the high concentration of amino acids in collagen broths, it creates aldehydes, toxic compounds that accumulate in muscle tissue and cause significant cellular damage. You are literally creating a poison that attacks your muscles while you sleep. 3. The savory saboteur bacon. Bacon often seems like the perfect, flavorful addition to a hearty bowl of soup. That smoky, salty crunch can be irresistible, but this popular processed meat is one of the worst things you can pair with your muscle-building broths. A single strip of bacon is loaded with over 400 milligrams of sodium, along with chemical preservatives like nitrates and phosphates. When combined with the already mineral-rich collagen broths, your sodium levels can skyrocket, leading to water retention and severe systemic inflammation. This inflammation is a direct enemy of muscle growth as it blocks protein synthesis and places enormous strain on your cardiovascular system. Research from Harvard Medical School confirmed this, showing that seniors who consumed processed meats like bacon with their protein meals had 45% higher inflammatory markers and 30% less muscle growth than those who chose clean proteins. The hidden danger lies in the nitrates, which react with the amino acids in your broth to form nitrosamines, carcinogenic compounds linked to muscle degeneration. Instead of feeding your body, you're creating toxins right in your digestive system. Your muscles don't need processed poison, they need clean fuel. Chapter 1. Why collagen is your secret weapon. Now that you understand the hidden power of collagen, let's dive deeper into why it's so crucial. Collagen is not just a supplement, it's the very framework that holds your muscles together. As we age, natural collagen production declines sharply, which is why muscle loss accelerates, joints ache, and recovery slows. Most people make the mistake of relying on protein powders or regular bone broth. While these help, they cannot deliver the concentrated collagen your body needs to actually rebuild fibers and strengthen connective tissue. In this video, I'll show you the 2 liquid collagen sources that pack the highest punch, with studies proving they work faster and more effectively than any other method. Chapter 2. Liquid collagen number 1, fish skin broth. Fish skin broth might sound unusual, but it is a scientific powerhouse for muscle repair. Each cup contains 12 to 15 grams of highly bioavailable collagen, absorbed faster than any other source. It also comes loaded with omega-3s and selenium, nutrients that calm inflammation and improve protein synthesis. This means your muscles recover faster, grow stronger, and your joints stay supported. I'll even share a simple way to prepare it at home that maximizes the collagen content without spending a fortune on supplements. Stick around, because skipping this step is where most people fail. Chapter 3, liquid collagen number 2, chicken feet broth. Yes, chicken feet. I know it sounds unusual, but this broth is ancient wisdom backed by modern science. Packed with type 1 and 2 collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin, it rebuilds muscles and joints simultaneously. Studies show seniors consuming this broth 3 times a week gain strength and reduced soreness significantly. I'll guide you through the easiest way to include this in your daily routine and why pairing it with fish skin broth creates a complete amino acid profile, giving your muscles everything they need to repair and grow. Chapter 4. Foods that destroy your progress. Even with these supercharged broths, your results can be sabotaged by everyday foods. White rice, alcohol, and bacon may taste delicious, but when combined with collagen, they block absorption, create inflammation, and slow recovery. I'll explain exactly why and give you simple alternatives that let you enjoy your meals without compromising your gains. Chapter 5. Step-by-step daily routine. Finally, I'll break down a simple, realistic daily routine that combines these collagen sources, optimal meal timing, and safe exercises. Even if you've struggled with muscle loss for years, following this plan consistently can restore strength, improve mobility, and boost energy, all without complex supplements or expensive programs. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what to eat, what to avoid, and how to use collagen to rebuild your muscles faster than you thought possible, even after 50 or 60. Now that you know the hidden truth about muscle loss and the power of collagen, it's time to take action. Remember, protein alone isn't enough. Your muscles need collagen to repair, rebuild, and stay strong as you age. Fish skin broth and chicken feet broth are not just foods. They are nature's most powerful tools for preserving muscle, improving joint health, and giving you the energy and mobility you might have thought was gone forever. But knowledge alone isn't enough. You have to act. Start incorporating these collagen-rich broths into your daily routine. Avoid the 3 hidden saboteurs: white rice, alcohol, and bacon, and watch your body respond in ways you never imagined. Small, consistent steps compound over time into life-changing results. This is not a quick fix. It's a sustainable, proven approach to reclaiming your strength and independence. Picture yourself 6 months from now, stronger, more energetic, moving with confidence, and free from the frustration of muscle loss. Every cup of collagen-rich broth is an investment in your health, your joints, and your future. Don't let misinformation or common myths slow your progress. You now have the tools to fight muscle loss safely and effectively. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone over 50 who needs to see this. Your journey doesn't stop here. Stay tuned for more tips, recipes, and strategies to rebuild your body from the inside out. Take control of your muscles, your joints, and your life, starting today.